Daw putang, ang imo nga left, putang sa green. Ang left foot mo, putang sa green. Okay.
Talk to your body, talk to body.
Hello mga Pops, it's weekend. And natin kami subong sa Esplanade. And we're going to enjoy this weekend with the kids. Okay? Okay.
I remember the go-kart dance. Parang go-kart dance too.
Oo gani. So mo ning popular nga go-kart place diri sa Esplanade. Perfect ni sa mga kids. May enjoy gid sila. Bakit tuta sa ano ka? Sa
Something physical naman
sa rock climbing daw?
Okay.
Oo, namin na sa dyan. Ara daw. Try naman ng rock climbing. Kids, okay ka mo sa rock climbing?
Oo.
Enjoy na, enjoy na. Okay, okay.
Rock climb ka na.
Ay! Wala pa.
So
see?
scary.
Hindi, may identity for kids. Tapos hindi ka man madagdag. See, awesome. Namin din sa exercise. Oh. Pwede niyo, kung for kids.
Walk-in rate is 150. That includes the use of the harness, the shoes, tapos there's no time limit. So 120 na lang sa kids under 12.
Kaya, medyo nakulbaan pa ka mo, ano? Shy ka mo, ano?
Shy, I'm shy. I'm just shy.
Oh, testingan na ni dati.
Tetris.
Yes, luwas lang.
So 240 plus 40 to 80 lang.
Okay. Oh. Don't worry. Eh di, ara ako sa dalom.
Still shy.
Don't worry about that. Sige lang. Don't worry, Pangka. Ako bahala, Simo. Awesome. Penebla. Come on. Siya man, actually si ano, siya ang nakabal. Si Dwayne na, oh.
Oh, natulog ko.
Aba ko. Sige, abi ko, ay kamudi.
Nagpuli lang bakasyon.
Napuli bakasyon?
Balik
Oo.
ako. Sa...
Oh, sige. Saka aman bla, mams.
Oh, yeah, Dad.
Saka, oh. Ha?
Please, Dad.
Sige. Saka mo ko. Sino yung gamay? Ito yung isa? Si Lizzie? Din? Okay ka lang da? Excited ka na magsaka?
No.
Hindi. Don't be scared. Yeah. Liz, ikaw Liz. Excited ka na magsaka? Lizzie, excited? Thumbs up, eh? Tawag ni Bilay.
Ano?
Bilay. Okay lang. Sige. Hindi, siguro na.
Kumbola sa akin.
It's not what you It's not what actually go.
Kung gusto mo na climb, haba climbing.
Climbing.
Okay, tapos mabato yung climb on, climb ka na.
You cannot.
Okay. You're good? Okay. Time on. Anywhere.
Oh, Daddy, you.
Don't worry about that.
Now, okay, now, good now. Okay, you go ahead. You go ahead. It's okay. Please go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Nice, Elise. Yes, doing great.
No, don't worry. Go up, ah. Go up. It's okay.
Okay lang.
Lizzie, just sit down.
Okay lang, sit down lang. O, pwede na, pwede na.
Don't look down. Saka lang pala.
Boko lang, Garn. Boko. Face the wall lang. Leg more lift. Right leg. Up. Right leg. Nice. Push. Push with your leg. Push. Tapos na. Lapak ka sa green. Good. Good. Sa low mo.
Wala.
Good. Okay.
Then ring the bell if you reached it.
Right.
Ring the bell.
Down. Okay, pull yourself. Okay, good. That's good. Smart girl. Good. Okay.
You touch the bell.
Touch the bell. Good job. Okay.
You can contact us sa Facebook account namin sa Iloilo Adventure Center.
Okay.
Any questions, you can message us sa PM.
Okay, that's good. Okay, thank you, God.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Thank you for climbing at Adventure.
Sure.
Mo kami actually.
Oo.
So Iloilo Mountaineering Club ang
Iloilo Mountaineering Club. Okay. Thank you, God, sir.
Come again.
Sure. Bro, thank you, God. Champion. So, may problem kami. Kaya yung isa gusto niya mag-SM. Yung isa gusto niya mag-Tinente. So, iba-decide sila mag-decide sila nga duwa. Mabahay sila.
This is Esmeralda. Barely visit this place. There's a lot of new things other than just Harry Potter. You know, there are some things you want to have to put aside. See, if you're not patient, then you have to suffer the consequences.
Anong nang decision nyo?
Stay together.
Okay, are you okay with that, Liz? Lizzie, are you okay with that? Oh.
I don't eat fine, do you know?
Ano mo, Liz? Gusto, Liz? Oh, it's okay. We had fun, right? You're a good climber. We eventually decided na dito na lang kami sa Cholabay na kami. Okay naman si Lizzie na hindi lang na magkato sa SM. Yes, are you really okay? Hindi ito magkato sa SM?
It's okay.
Okay.
Ako yan.
Imo niya gusto, right? Very good. Okay. Ako yan, gutom. Okay. So, kuha lang kami mali mami. Dito siya ko. Saan ka? Hey! Are you okay? Lasa mo na kadto, di damo patawo. Subong okay lang.
Daddy, Mommy's the only one.
Okay, ayun ang order.
Wait, what? So many
Oh, yeah.
baskets.
So you're having fun, Pangga? Ayos. Okay ka man, Lee?
Yeah. Musically.
Okay ka? What did you say again?
Because when you grow up, you won't have that many things to do na.
Nga, parang ano? Hindi ka nakamon eh. Hindi ka naka-go-kart. Kaya syempre adult ka na, no?
Hindi ka even trampoline.
Amo na, dapat i-enjoy nyo gid ang inyong childhood. Amo na, basta bata pa ka mo, ano nyo, enjoy nyo. Damo-damo things ang pwede nyo mahimo. Kaya kung mag-adult na ka mo, hindi nyo na mahimo. Kay serious na ka mo. So mga paps, amo ning place nga pwede nyo makatuana sa family for your kids to enjoy. Kasi again na may wall climbing sila, tapos may sila go-karts. So basically that's an exercise for the kids. At the same time, mga parents maka-chill, magkaon sa Cholabay. This is a fun way to spend your weekends, at the same time kabanding ka mo sa imong mga kids. Namin subong sa Iloilo kay medyo kompleto na there are many things to do. Child-friendly, family-friendly. Right?
Anak, daw nag-gym lang sila once a week.
Wow.
Which is mayugin
Gamit,
para
yes.
sa mga bata.
So that's it. Amon niya weekend fun for this week. Okay naman ah. So next time kung maglagaw-lagaw naman ko, dalon na ka mo. Okay, say goodbye to the vlog.
Bye!
Okay.
Eat more food like me.
Wow. Oy, ano?
Ano?
Cover.
Peace.